Hi everyone, in this quick video we are going to show you a quick mushroom fried or mushroom bhaji. We just chopped some button mushroom and large onion here. We will put some bit of coriander as well, and just a tiny amount of spice. We'll show you now how to make mushroom bhaji. We're just dipping about a small just a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Simmer all around the frying pan. Wait till the oil gets heated up a bit. Onion pieces in. Simmer it a bit. And small tiny teaspoon of salt if you like. If you don't like salt, don't put any. Put some kind of lid on for a couple of minutes so it simmers, so the onion gets to cook and turns into sort of, you know, soggy, and then we'll put the mushroom in. We have simmered the onions roughly about 5 to 6 minutes. As it turns to, all the onions turn soggy and golden brown, as you can see. Now we're going to add the spice in. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is haldi powder. 1 teaspoon of mixed powder, mixed curry powder. A teaspoon of zira, coriander, dhania powder. Sorry, that was dhania powder, coriander. And a tiny amount of red chili powder. If you like hot, you can put chili, or you can put chopped green chili. And then give it a few more, couple of more seconds till you sort of burn the spice. Now tip the mushroom in and gently just mix them all together. Now put the lid on for roughly for about, put the lid on and leave it for about roughly 7 to 8 minutes. Very low gas for 7 to 8 minutes, and hopefully that should be okay. Oh yeah. We're almost done. Our bhaji is ready. As you can see, it's succulent and it looks absolutely delicious. Now we're going to chop some coriander, freshly chopped coriander in there, and we're also going to chop 2 whole green chili in there. Yeah. chop in some, yeah, you can chop the green chilies if you like, but we put the whole green chili in there, just to give you a bit of balance. Alright. There we are, ladies and gentlemen. Our mushroom bhaji is ready. Look at that. It looks absolutely delicious. I hope you try to make this so simple. Try it. You'll enjoy it, and hopefully it's a bit different type of mushroom bhaji than you get in your local Indian restaurant. Thank you so much for watching this video and all of my other videos. Please click like and subscribe button. Please also consider clicking through or hitting my links if you shop online, these two great stores. So I put a link up. If you do buy from, if you do purchase online, please do use my links. Once again, thank you so much for watching this, and I hope to make you a few more videos very soon. Thank you.